every Saturday in Barbados. There's one meal that brings the island to a pause. Can you guess what it is? Pudding Souse.
Woke up this morning with the sunshine in my face. Thinking about Barbados, can't forget that place.
It's more than just food. It's a story of survival, strength, and sweet Bajan creativity.
Today, we're diving into the real history. How it began in the days of slavery and how it became one of Barbados' proudest traditions.
During slavery, the enslaved Africans in Barbados were given the unwanted parts of the animal. The feet, the ears, the snout, the intestines, and the blood.
The plantation owners took the best cuts, and what was left was handed down as scraps. But those scraps became the beginning of brilliance.
They cleaned those parts, boiled them, seasoned them with what little they had. Salt, lime, pepper, herbs, and that was the birth of Souse.
The sunsets with that golden glow. St. Lucie stars putting on a show.
It wasn't just cooking, it was survival with style, flavor born from hardship.
Souse started as a way to make the unwanted parts edible. The trotters, the snout, the ears, the feet.
They soaked the meat in lime to cleanse it, boiled it until tender, then mixed it with cucumber, onion, hot pepper, and herbs. A natural preservation, a natural celebration.
There was no fridge back then, so the lime, salt, and pepper were more than seasoning. They were science, smart, simple, and full of flavour.
By the 1800s, Souse had become a Saturday ritual, a day when families came together, when hardship turned into happiness, and food became the taste of freedom. But no Souse could ever stand alone, because right beside it had to be the pudding. Back then, nothing was wasted, not even the blood. Our ancestors took the pig's blood, fat, and intestines and mixed them with grated sweet potato, herbs, and spices to make black pudding.
The intestines were cleaned and used as the casing, and the mixture, seasoned with thyme, marjoram, pepper, and a little sugar, was stuffed and cooked over an open fire.
The blood gave it that rich, dark color. The sweet potato gave it the depth and sweetness. It was genius, pure Bajan resourcefulness.
Pudding Souse became the perfect pair. One hot, one cold, one spicy, one soothing. A balance of struggle and sweetness, just like life itself.
Ah, sweet, sweet Barbados, the island with the sunshine so. From St. Lucie to Christchurch, we ready for roll. B-A-R-B-A, B-A-R-B-A-D-O-S. Sweet like sugar with the very best. Raise your flag, let the rhythm bless. Love from the east to the wild, wild west. B-A-R-B-A-D-O-S.
As times changed, so did the pudding. The blood and intestines were replaced, but the heart of the dish stayed the same.
Today, Bajans use browning to bring that deep dark colour and then steam it. Smooth, rich, and full of flavour.
Still made with grated sweet potato, herbs, and spice. Still tied to our history. Still sitting right beside the Souse every Saturday.
Pudding Souse is more than a meal, it's a memory. A taste that carries centuries of courage, creativity, and community.
O for okra and cornmeal cuckoo, S for sweet bread and sugar cake too. B-A-R-B-A-D-O-S.
From the plantation yard to the Saturday table, it tells the story of a people who could take what was thrown away and turn it into something beautiful.
It's proof that in Barbados, nothing goes to waste. Not the food, not the history, and not the spirit.
One more just shaking pan the rhythm tight. Nearly all mixing that Afro light. Problem child vibe.
Pudding Souse is the heartbeat of Barbados, the flavor of resilience, and the taste of home.
Barbados, sweet like sugar with the very best. Raise your flag, let the rhythm bless. Love from the east to the wild, wild west. Barbados, taste the culture, feel the finesse.
So next time you sit down to Pudding Souse, remember, you're tasting survival, invention, and love all in one bite.
From the blood to the browning, from the lime to the sweet potato, it's history on a plate. This is Facts with Joy
And Mark,
where Barbados past and present meet.
one story, one flavour, one island.
The rhythm take you in. From Spice Town straight to Bay. We celebrate life every day while we spelling. Barbados. Who we reppin'? Sweet Barbados, yes. Barbados. Sweet Barbados, yes, till then, son. Barbados. Sweet Barbados, we confess. Barbados. Yeah. Breadfruit, aki, rum and sauce. Sweet broad bacon, a grandiose. Cornmeal, cuckoo, flying fish fry. Sunset blazing a golden sky. We dance, we sing, we love, we pray. One heart, one island every day. Barbados, sweet like sugar with the very best. Raise your flag, let the rhythm bless. Love from the east to the wild, wild west. Barbados, taste the culture, feel the finesse. Sunshine, skin and a heart so blessed. Sweet Barbados, we confess. Yeah. Be for breadfruit, A for ackee, or for rum, that's sweet. Be for black pudding, sauce and sweet memory. When you reach Barbados, you gon' see the sweetest love